Jhansi, a city in the heart of India, is a place of captivating contrasts. Nestled in the Bundelkhand region, this city is a harmonious blend of history and nature, where the past and the present coexist in a beautiful symphony. As you wander through its streets, you can feel the pulse of its rich heritage and the serenity of its natural landscapes. It is a city where history and nature intertwine, creating a tapestry of unique beauty. The majestic Jhansi Fort stands as a sentinel, overlooking the city and offering a glimpse into the valorous past of this region. The fort, surrounded by lush greenery, is a testament to the architectural brilliance and strategic importance of Jhansi in bygone eras. The scenic landscapes of Jhansi are a sight to behold. From rolling hills to verdant valleys, the natural beauty of this city is captivating. The flora and fauna of the region add to its charm, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. The city's parks and gardens are perfect spots for leisurely strolls and picnics, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Located in the Bundelkhand region, Jhansi is renowned for its valiant past and its serene landscapes. The city's historical buildings, with their intricate carvings and grand facades, tell tales of a time when Jhansi was a significant center of power and culture. The Bundelkhand region itself is a treasure trove of history and natural beauty, with its rugged terrains and picturesque vistas. The city is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring power of nature. The historical monuments, set against the backdrop of lush landscapes, create a mesmerizing contrast that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. These monuments stand as silent witnesses to the city's glorious past and its journey through the annals of history. Jhansi's history is deeply intertwined with the legacy of Rani Lakshmibai, the courageous queen who fought bravely against British rule. Her story is one of valor and sacrifice, and it continues to inspire generations. The statues and murals dedicated to her are a reminder of her indomitable spirit and her unwavering commitment to her people and her land, the courageous queen who fought bravely against British rule. Her story is etched in the walls of the Jhansi Fort, a symbol of the city's indomitable spirit. The fort's historical plaques and reenactments of her battles bring her story to life, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience the bravery and determination that defined her reign. Her story is etched in the walls of the Jhansi Fort, a symbol of the city's indomitable spirit. The fort's walls, adorned with historical artifacts and inscriptions, serve as a canvas that narrates the tale of a city that stood resilient in the face of adversity. Each stone and brick of the fort holds a piece of history, waiting to be discovered by those who visit, a symbol of the city's indomitable spirit. But beyond its historical significance, Jhansi is also a city blessed with natural wonders. The panoramic views from the fort offer a breathtaking sight of the city and its surroundings, showcasing the harmonious blend of history and nature that defines Jhansi. But beyond its historical significance, Jhansi is also a city blessed with natural wonders. From the tranquil waters of Garmao Lake to the verdant expanse of Paricha Dam, Jhansi offers a sanctuary for nature lovers and history buffs alike. The city's natural landscapes are a testament to the beauty and diversity of the region's flora and fauna. From the tranquil waters of Garmao Lake, where the gentle ripples create a soothing symphony, to the verdant expanse of Paricha Dam, which offers a picturesque setting for picnics and outdoor activities, Jhansi's natural beauty is truly enchanting. The lake and the dam are popular spots for boating and fishing, attracting both locals and tourists. To the verdant expanse of Paricha Dam, Jhansi offers a sanctuary for nature lovers and history buffs alike. The dam, surrounded by lush greenery, is a perfect spot for nature walks and bird watching. The serene environment and the scenic views make it a favorite destination for those seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. Jhansi offers a sanctuary for nature lovers and history buffs alike. The city's unique geography and climate have shaped its character, creating a landscape that is both rugged and beautiful. The rocky plateaus, the meandering rivers, and the lush green fields tell a story of resilience and harmony. The nature trails and historical sites provide ample opportunities for exploration and discovery. The city's unique geography and climate have shaped its character, creating a landscape that is both rugged and beautiful. The rocky plateaus, the meandering rivers, and the lush green fields tell a story of resilience and harmony. The diverse terrain and the varying climate conditions have given rise to a rich biodiversity, making Jhansi a fascinating destination for nature enthusiasts, creating a landscape that is both rugged and beautiful. The rocky plateaus, the meandering rivers, and the lush green fields tell a story of resilience and harmony. The rugged terrains, with their unique rock formations and scenic vistas, are a testament to the geological diversity of the region. These landscapes offer a perfect backdrop for adventure activities such as hiking and rock climbing, The rocky plateaus, the meandering rivers, and the lush green fields tell a story of resilience and harmony. The rivers, with their gentle flow, add a touch of tranquility to the rugged landscape. The lush green fields, with their vibrant colors, create a picturesque setting that is both calming and invigorating. These natural features are a reflection of the city's harmonious coexistence with nature. Jhansi invites you to explore its hidden gems, to uncover the stories whispered by the wind, and to experience the magic that unfolds when history and nature collide. The city's hidden natural gems, such as secluded waterfalls and serene forest trails, offer a sense of adventure and discovery. These spots, often off the beaten path, provide a unique perspective on the city's natural beauty. To uncover the stories whispered by the wind, and to experience the magic that unfolds when history and nature collide. The gentle rustling of leaves and the soft murmur of the wind create a symphony that echoes the city's rich history and natural splendor. These sounds, combined with the scenic views, create an immersive experience that transports you to a different time and place, and to experience the magic that unfolds when history and nature collide. Jhansi is a city where every corner has a story to tell, where the past and the present coexist in perfect harmony. The historical landmarks, set against the backdrop of natural beauty, create a mesmerizing contrast that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Jhansi invites you to be a part of its story, to explore its rich heritage, and to immerse yourself in its natural wonders. Jhansi is situated on a plateau in the rugged terrain of Bundelkhand, a region known for its rocky outcrops and dry, deciduous forests. This area is a testament to the raw beauty of nature, where the land tells stories of ancient geological processes. The plateau's elevation provides a unique vantage point, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The dry, deciduous forests, with their sparse yet resilient vegetation, paint a picture of survival and adaptation. These forests are home to a variety of flora and fauna, each species uniquely adapted to the harsh conditions. The city's landscape is characterized by undulating hills, which add to the region's scenic beauty. These hills, with their gentle slopes and scattered vegetation, create a mosaic of green and brown, a testament to the region's semi-arid climate. Interspersed with these hills are fertile valleys, nourished by the waters of two major rivers, the Pahuj and the Betwa. These rivers are the lifeblood of the region, providing essential water resources for agriculture and daily life. Their waters nourish the land, making it possible for the local communities to cultivate crops and sustain their livelihoods. The rivers also play a crucial role in shaping the cultural and social fabric of the region. The Betwa River in particular holds immense cultural and historical significance. Its banks are dotted with ancient temples and historical monuments, each telling a story of the region's rich heritage. These ancient structures stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, offering a glimpse into the lives of the people who once thrived here. The river has been a source of inspiration for poets, artists, and historians alike. The climate of Jhansi is typical of a semi-arid region, characterized by hot summers and mild winters. The intense heat of the summer months can be challenging, but it also shapes the unique ecosystem of the area. During the summer, the landscape takes on a stark beauty, with the sun casting long shadows over the rugged terrain. In contrast, the mild winters bring a welcome respite, with cooler temperatures and a more temperate climate. The monsoon season brings much-needed relief from the heat, transforming the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of green. The rains rejuvenate the land, filling the rivers and replenishing the soil. Post-monsoon, the region bursts into life with lush vegetation and a renewed sense of vitality. This seasonal transformation is a sight to behold, attracting nature enthusiasts and photographers from far and wide. The region's unique climate and soil conditions have given rise to a diverse flora and fauna. From hardy shrubs to vibrant wildflowers, the vegetation here is as varied as it is beautiful. This diversity extends to the wildlife as well, making Jhansi a haven for nature enthusiasts. Whether you're a botanist, a birdwatcher, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, Jhansi offers a rich and rewarding experience. Nestled amidst the rocky terrain, Garmau Lake is a tranquil oasis, a sanctuary of peace and serenity. This picturesque lake, located on the outskirts of Jhansi, is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. The lake is surrounded by hills, their slopes covered in verdant vegetation, creating a breathtaking backdrop. The calm waters of Garmau Lake reflect the azure sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The lake is home to a variety of birdlife, their melodious calls adding to the tranquility of the surroundings. Visitors can enjoy boating on the lake, the gentle rocking of the boat lulling them into a state of blissful calm. The Paricha Dam, built across the Betwa River, is a testament to human ingenuity and a lifeline for the people of Jhansi. This massive dam, located about 25 kilometers from the city, serves as a major source of irrigation and drinking water for the region. But beyond its utilitarian purpose, the Paricha Dam is also a place of immense scenic beauty. The dam has created a vast reservoir, its waters stretching as far as the eye can see. The surrounding hills, cloaked in green, provide a stunning backdrop to the shimmering waters. The Paricha Dam is a popular picnic spot where families can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature. Section 5. Green spaces of Jhansi parks and urban retreats. Jhansi, despite its historical legacy and urban development, has managed to preserve pockets of green within its city limits. These green spaces, parks and gardens offer a much-needed respite from the concrete jungle, providing a breath of fresh air for the city dwellers. Atal Ekta Park, located in the heart of Jhansi, is one such urban oasis. This well-maintained park, with its lush lawns, colourful flower beds and shady trees, is a popular destination for morning walkers, evening strollers and families looking for a relaxing outing. The park also features a children's play area, making it a perfect place for families to spend quality time together. Section 6. Jhansi Fort, where history meets nature. Perched atop a hill overlooking the city stands the majestic Jhansi Fort, a silent sentinel guarding the city's rich past. This imposing fort, built in the 17th century, is a testament to the architectural prowess of the Bundela Rajput kings. The fort has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, its walls echoing with tales of valor and sacrifice. But the Jhansi Fort is not just a historical monument, it is also a place where history and nature converge. The fort is surrounded by lush greenery, its ramparts offering panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. The interplay of history and nature creates a unique ambience, transporting visitors back in time. Section 7. Agriculture in Jhansi, the bounty of the land. The fertile land surrounding Jhansi has been the backbone of its economy for centuries. This region, blessed with rich soil and favorable climate, has nurtured generations of farmers who have dedicated their lives to cultivating the land. Agriculture plays a vital role in the lives of the people, with a majority of the population directly or indirectly dependent on it. From sunrise to sunset, the fields are alive with activity as farmers tend to their crops with unwavering dedication. The region's climate and soil conditions are suitable for a variety of crops, making it an important agricultural hub. The diversity of crops grown here is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of the local farmers. Wheat, gram and mustard are the major crops grown in the region. These crops not only provide sustenance to the local population but also contribute significantly to the region's economy. During the monsoon season, the landscape transforms into a sea of green as farmers sow paddy and other kharif crops. The monsoon rains bring a renewed sense of hope and promise to the farmers as they prepare for a bountiful harvest. The sight of farmers working in the fields, their faces etched with hope and determination, is a testament to their deep connection with the land. Their hard work and perseverance are the driving forces behind the region's agricultural success, ensuring that the bounty of the land continues to sustain future generations. Section 8. The intertwined legacy of Jhansi nature and history. Jhansi's legacy is a tapestry woven with threads of history and nature, each strand complementing the other. The city's historical monuments, set against the backdrop of its natural beauty, create a unique charm that is both captivating and enduring. The stories of Rani Lakshmibai's bravery and the city's struggle for independence are deeply intertwined with the landscape itself. The rocky terrain, the meandering rivers, and the lush green fields serve as constant reminders of the city's resilience and its enduring spirit. Section 9. Conclusion. Discovering the soul of Jhansi. Jhansi is more than just a city. It is an experience, a journey through time and nature. It is a city that invites you to explore its hidden gems, to uncover its secrets, and to discover its soul. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply looking for a unique travel experience, Jhansi has something to offer everyone, so come. Lose yourself in the bylanes of history, wander through its green spaces, and discover the magic that is Jhansi, a city where the past and the present coexist in perfect harmony.